everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So today is Sunday. Hopefully I'll get this up later tonight. So I haven't posted a video in a couple days. I've been working and it's been pretty hectic at work. So I thought I would do a fun little video. Originally I was going to put up my video that I taped, but I still have to edit, which is putting all my box stuff from April. I will still get that up at some point. I just need the time to edit it. But I haven't done just a Boxycharm video of just Boxycharm, and this month was kind of interesting, so I thought this would be a good month to do it. I have Boxycharm Premium and I have regular Boxycharm, which I haven't even looked in. But I watched, there's a lot of variations and a lot of issues with it. And so I thought this would be fun to go over with. So let's first go over the Boxycharm Premium, since I did look in this, and go over it and go from there. So Boxycharm Premium, you have to have been a member and then get put on the wait list to upgrade. It's only been going on for a couple months. I got upgraded like maybe 2 months ago. So, you know, it's about $35 a month. You can keep your original box, which is what I did, or you can cancel your original box and just do the Boxycharm Premium. The other one, Boxy Luxe, is a quarterly one. I believe that's coming next month. But so we just have these two this month. All right. So the regular Boxycharm, which is this one, is $25 a month. And this one, yeah, this is, everybody can get it. So let's go into this. So first things first, I did get this one first about a week ago, so I peeked into it like I usually do. That's what it always looks like. It says Boxycharm Premium. But this month I did not get a card in it. I looked up and down and all around. I wasn't sent a virtual card and went back and looked through, so I don't know what happened. They don't make it very easy to look up your stuff if you're missing a card. At least like Ipsy, you can pull it up on their app and it has all your stuff. So I have my phone here where I'm gonna look up the prices and give you guys a little bit of info on what's in here, just because, you know, I find it frustrating to not have that information, because then I can't convey it to you all. And then it makes it really hard to decide, is this worth it or not? So the first item here is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I remember when I saw this come out and I wasn't that excited about it. It just seemed kind of like not the most exciting. I do like natural or neutral eyeshadow palettes. This is supposed to be $38. And so it is fully in the packaging, which I appreciate. Sometimes we get stuff in Boxycharm and it's out of the packaging. So in here they have a little card in here that says a glamour how-to guide. So that's cool. They give you little tips on how to use it. And I find that most Too Faced products do that. This is what the packaging looks like, which looks really lovely. And this is what it looks like inside. So obviously it has a big mirror. There wasn't like a little plastic divider in there, which I don't know why. Usually they have that and over there. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It smells like candy or cookies, which also is another thing. I've had a couple Too Faced palettes, and some of them I really like and some I really don't. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about this one, but I will definitely play with it and eventually get back with you guys. I have a whole slew of products I want to review. But once I start wearing makeup back to work, this is actually a really good combo of colors that I can see myself totally using for work. The only thing is it's all mattes. I'm not a big all mattes person. I do like a little shimmer. So this will not be a complete palette for someone like me. Like, I'm gonna have to reach in and use some of my shimmers. But I think if you're going for a very soft, neutral look, this is probably a really good palette. All right, so that is the first item. Like I said, $35, so you've already got the price of the box. Let's move on to the next item here, which is, I'm just scrolling to find it in here. This is the Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampule, $28. So this, they didn't give a lot of information in here, unfortunately, because I don't have the card, so I don't know that much about it. But this is what it looks like. It is a serum, and it has the Centella Acetica, I'm probably saying that wrong, extract. Now that, if you've never heard that extract, that is Cica. So when you see a Cica lotion, that is the extract in it. So that is something to know. Cica is supposed to be really good for anti-inflammatory and redness. So here it says it contains 90% of that complex extract. It's a mystical plant that firms the skin from the inside and leaves smooth complexion. At some point I want to do an ingredients video on Cica and that plant extract and get a little bit more, but I've had some good luck with some other Cica products, and this is a Korean skincare, it looks like, hopefully. And so yeah, we'll give it a try. Now, this also is good because it has the expiration date on here, so this does not expire till 2023. I really appreciate when they put that on there so I know when I need to use up a product quickly or not. So that is that product. So we're already up to $50. Next item here is Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. My phone keeps turning off on me. This is $12. So this is the sister company to Tarte. It's kind of geared towards teenagers. I'm okay getting it because I like Tarte products, but I know some people get upset when they get stuff geared to teenagers in their box. I think it was either Ipsy or Boxycharm did a mascara that was designed or marketed towards teenagers. A lot of people were really upset about that. Okay, so this is the color Peony. You can see it's just a real blush, light pink. Oh, it smells like butterscotch or caramel. That smells really good. And I'm a big fan of this kind of stuff because even though I can't wear a lot of lip glosses or lip balms at work, which is where I usually wear them when I'm at home, I'm putting them on nonstop. That feels really good. That's nice and thick and heavy. It smells good. If you don't like overwhelming like smell of confection or some sort of dessert on your lips, you'll probably hate this. I like this. I will use it. So this is a good item for me. All right, next item here is it's so tiny. It's the Milk Makeup in the color Glimmer. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I mean, this thing is itty bitty. If I can even get this open. I don't have a lot of milk products, so I am excited to try it. It just seems really itty bitty. This is what it looks like. And let's go. Again, this is in a box. These have all been in boxes, so I do really appreciate that. I don't know if they took that feedback from everybody where people were kind of not okay with things not being in boxes. Oop. Oh my goodness, that just popped off. There was a little clear lid on there that just kind of popped off. It is a kind of a, oh, it's like a pink color. Okay, so this is definitely like you could use it like a cream blush or like a, oh, that's really pretty. I like cream blushes and blushes that give you more of like that dewy, glowy look, or you can use it on your lips. Doesn't have much of a smell, and let me see what the price of this is. This is something I actually will use. I'm kind of excited about this, even though it's itty bitty. So this little thing is $15. So we are now into the $60, $70 range. All right, next item here is the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. Now, I don't need more eye care. I'm okay getting it because I do like using eye creams, but they take forever for me to go through. This is a great brand. We've gotten them before, and this is 0.5 fluid ounces. So even though this packaging looks good, this is not a huge amount. The normal eye cream that comes in a bottle that I use is about 1 fluid ounce. So this will actually go up pretty quickly. Like I could go through this amount in maybe 2 months. It's a lot of packaging there, but it is glass packaging. I'm not going to open it right now to smell it or use it just because I am not due to get a new eye cream out for a while, and I don't want that to go bad. They do have it fully in their packaging, and let's see how much this is. This is normally $68. So we're already over $100. We're now looking at 150 range, or no, 100 and yeah, like 140. Okay, last product here I'm not super excited about. I was reading some commentary on this and I kind of agree. So this is a Kat Von D Super Brow Long Pomade. Now I am super excited to try eyebrow products, but I am clearly put on my profile that I am a redhead with red eyebrows. And you know, I don't mind if they send me blonde products because I can kind of make those work, or light brown, but they sent me a dark brown. So the other problem people have noted is that this is the old packaging, the Kat Von D. Now it's KVD Vegan Beauty because Kat Von D sold it because she had so much backlash and hate for her vaccination stance. So I'm not a big proponent of supporting Kat Von D because I obviously, as a doctor, support vaccination and all that stuff. Now, will I throw it away because I just get it in my box? No. And will I not necessarily use this because it's dark brown? No, I will, because I did look it up and it is appropriate and eye safe for around your eyes. And I do like brown eyeliner. And I like gel liners. So I'm actually going to keep this to use this around my eye area as an eyeliner. So if you get this in the wrong color, that's a tip that people say that this works really well for eyeliner. So I'm going to keep it for that instead of eyebrows, because it's obviously not going to work. So this one, let me see the cost on this one, and then we'll move on to the new box, which will hopefully have a card. So this is $20. So we're looking now at $160 value. So the value is there. Was it the most exciting box? No. I do think that with the pandemic, they probably are having a little harder time sourcing stuff. But is it a useful box? Yes. Is it as much makeup as everyone wants? Probably not. Like, this is supposed to be a makeup heavy box, and it's definitely on the skincare heavy side, or for me, it was about 50-50. I will say Boxycharm has a problem customizing to our profiles. I don't know why they have profiles if they don't actually follow them. That's a continual problem, and I wish that they would actually have an algorithm that would work for that. So there we go. That is that. Okay, let's get into our regular Boxycharm. It is $25 a month. They upped the price several months back, saying it would be bigger and better. It's debatable. We do have a card, so yay. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I don't know what I'm getting, so let's see. So this is the Mother Nature, and it is box 20. You can tell by putting in the little thing here. I just got this yesterday in the mail, so I hadn't even opened it. So first item here is, oh, I was actually excited I'm going to get this. This is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. I wanted to try these out. I'm out of surface pads, and I like using these when my skin's getting a little funky, which it is with all the mask wearing. Ooh, my camera's a little off there. And so these help for when I want to do like a quick cleanup or wipe down of my face. So these right here are $59. I am going to open up and take a look at what they look like inside here. They smell just nice and clean, and they just look like little pads. This was sealed, but it was not in a box, but I'm okay with that. All right, next item here is the, oh, I'm also excited I got this. Okay, I think I got the better box. I've seen some duds of boxes, and they had a lot of repeat items and palettes and things in there that I had seen that I had previously gotten, so I was really fingers crossed that I wasn't going to get it, and I did not. One of the things I was hoping I was going to get was the Jouer lip gloss. Which I have wanted to try this lip gloss, and I've actually had it in my box on and off from Sephora. This is a very interesting, look at that. I don't understand. It's got this weird pattern here. Now, this is not a color I probably would have picked out, but I was curious to try this lip gloss. So this is the High Pigment Lip Gloss. It's $17. I don't really love the packaging. I think the packaging is weird. It's got this weird indent here, which I don't know what that is about. And yeah, that's weird. I don't understand it. This is it. This is not a color I would gravitate towards, and it's a little brown. This is probably a color I would mix with a very light lip gloss to make it lighter. But I like lip glosses because you can sheer them out and you can mix them with other things and make them work. But that is definitely a brownie red. This is not a color I would have gone for. So again, sad that they sent me this color. Excited to try this lip gloss. Okay, next item here is the Trestique Cover Concealer Pen. Okay, in the color Porcelain. They actually got a color right for me, so that's exciting. This is the Cover Concealer Crayon, which is $24. Okay, I'm actually really excited to try this as well because I have some breakout issues right now, and I like having cover up and concealer. This looks a little bit dark, but we'll give it a try here and see. Let me find a mirror and see how I like it here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face here. So it is on the darker side. Like, I would not use this in my under eye area, but that's not bad. I have a little redness there from a leftover zit. Let me show you guys on my hand what this looks like. It's definitely a little bit dark. compared to my average skin tone, but if I'm covering up a little red spot, that's not bad. So I love when companies say that this is porcelain. Porcelain is almost translucent. I'm sorry, I'm porcelain, but I am excited. I am glad to try this, so this is not bad. So let's see what the card says on here. All right, this, like I said, $24. So we are now up to 65, 75, 80, 90, $100. So we're at $100. Okay, next item here is the Tarte Micellar Magic. This is a makeup remover and cleanser. I may give this away, not because it's a bad item, but because I have issues with micellar water, especially around my eye area. It causes me to get eczema outbreaks, and which is a shame because micellar water is really neat and a good concept, and a lot of people absolutely love it. I love this packaging though. So basically this is one of those types where you put the cotton swab in here and you punch it down and it brings it up on there, and then you use it on there. So I may try this on somewhere else away from my eyes and see if I tolerate it, and if I don't, I'll probably pass this on to my mom or a loved one. But this is really nice, and I'm not unhappy about getting this. This is $18, so we're now looking at 20 some odd dollars, 120 some odd dollars. And then the last thing is the Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick in Sugar and Spice. Now it's kind of a bummer they sent me 2 lip products. It would have been nice to have something else varied. An Appeal is one of those that they kind of work, kind of don't. So this I'm curious about. It's a pretty color. And let's see. I feel like Appeal is kind of one of those companies that they throw in, and it's just like the filler company. You know what I'm talking about. There's a bunch of filler companies where the products are just not that expensive and not that exciting. This is, I feel like, one of the filler companies. Okay, they had all plastic on it. Okay, so the Appeal Cosmetics, this is supposed to be $21. So let's see. So it's a pretty color. That's the color. Doesn't have much of a smell, and this is what the applicator looks like. So this is actually a color I would wear, and then I would probably top with a lip gloss. And it says it's a lip stick, so this shouldn't dry down, which I appreciate. So it's going to give you a satin finish and covers with one application. So yeah, that's it. That's my box. So total, we're looking at about $140. So we're not far off of my premium, which is interesting because, yeah. So when I look at everything, I feel like the premium and the regular box, honestly, in my opinion, were kind of the same quality. I was more excited about the products and the brands and the things that I got in my regular box. Like, it felt like a nicer box than my premium, which is really sad. You know, I felt like Jouer is a higher brand, Elemis is a higher brand. I just got slightly nicer products in my regular. Now, I know that's not the case with everybody. Like I said, I've been looking, and a lot of people got some duds of boxes, and a lot of people were upset about the premium just not being that exciting. Yeah, so that is that. This is, like I said, I liked the regular box. I will use most everything in the premium box. But yeah, this is what it is. So guys, I'd like to hear what your thoughts were, what you got. Did you like your boxes and all that stuff? I will definitely get back with another video, probably either Monday or Tuesday. So I'm going to do an update video from the ER. Things are definitely picking up here, and now that everything is opening up, it's gotten a little crazy at work and otherwise. So I'll update you guys where that's at. It'll be a live video. If it's not on Monday evening, I'll let you guys know if it's a little bit later, but usually I try to do those about 8 or 9 o'clock at night, but I'll try to update or announce that so people who want to watch it can. I will edit up that video, and hopefully the one where I am applying April's box goodies will come sometime this week. And then I'm going to do a massive unboxing. I have a couple of different subscription boxes. I'm going to try to do that massive unboxing of the other subscription stuff at the end of this week, probably either Thursday or Friday. So anyhow, guys, that is it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. For those that are getting out and about, please be safe. And for those still at home, quarantined, hopefully this will help with a little mental de-stressing and all that good stuff. So, all right, guys, bye.